I want to simplify using order of operations, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. So I can see this first piece right here. There is nothing really to do inside the parentheses, but then we have the exponent. So I know 5/8 squared means 5/8 times 5/8. Then divided by, now this, there's something I can do inside this parentheses, and I need to get a least common denominator on this 5/8. And I think if I do 3/3, because 8 times 3 is 24, and remember that this can't change this fraction, so you're just multiplying by 1, and then minus 1/24. All right, 5 times 5, 25. 8 times 8, 64. Divided by 5 times 3, 15. 8 times 3, 24, minus 1/24. So I just bring that 25/64 down, divided by, still doing what's inside the parentheses, so 15 minus 1, this is going to be 14/24. Remember with division that you keep the first fraction and then you flip the second fraction. Now, I don't know about you, these are going to be some big numbers to multiply. So what I do is I try to see, could I cross cancel? Now, 25 I know is 5 times 5, and 14, 7 times 2. They don't have anything in common. But I know 24 is 8 times 3, and I know 64 is 8 times 8. So what I could do, I could cancel, right? So that's all I'm doing is canceling. And so this is left with 3, and then this is left with 8. So if I multiply 25 times 3, I think of 25 cents, 3/4 is 75. And then here I have 8 times 14, so 14 times 8, 18 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3, 11. Counted on my fingers on that one. 1, 1, 2. And now I look to see if there's anything that can cancel so I can reduce this fraction. 1, this ends in a 5, this doesn't, and doesn't end like in a 0. They're both not even, so I am not seeing any way to reduce 75 and 112, so that is my final answer.